Subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification bell on so you won't have to miss another video of mine. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. I wanted to say a quick thank you for my new subscribers and my old subscribers as well. Thank you all so much. In today's video, I want to bring you guys how I do my Cassia treatment, hair treatment. So I'll be showing you the type of Cassia I use, where I got it from, and how I mixed my Cassia with oil, just to show you the consistency that you need it to be if you plan on doing your own Cassia treatment, so you will know more or less what to look for. So I will be bringing you all that. All right, okay guys, I will see you in a minute. Right, the benefit I found in using Cassia is it taking up my hair, make it appear really nice and thick. It smooth out the hair cuticle, make your hair really nice and smooth, remove all the single strands knot, and it's just overall a really good hair treatment. It kind of acts a little bit as a protein treatment. My hair was at its best when I was using this regularly, but I fall off the wagon, you know, life get busy, you know how it is. But this new year coming, I plan on doing this treatment regularly to help, you know, just give me good shine and thickness that usually I'm like all day hunting for it. But let me show you the Cassia I use. Is this one here. This brand here is it's pure organic. You really want to get Cassia that is organic. There's no point if you're gonna get any Cassia that is full of gunk. On this very one here, it said it's for hair strengthening, volume and shine, and that is exactly what it does give to your hair. I preferably like to do this treatment every 2 weeks, because that is around about how long the treatment lasts. I think it lasts for 2 weeks. But if you can do it every 2 weeks, that is good. But mainly I do it once a month because it's quite a time-consuming treatment, and it's another step adding to your routine. With this seller here, they do have it does come with like instruction to help you along the way. So this is very easy to mix. It's easy to it's very straightforward. I've seen people adding something like powder like amla and maybe henna and some lemon juice to it to give them their hair color. But at this point in time, I'm not after any color. I just want it for conditioning purposes. When I get mine, I sometimes get it in bulk, maybe 500 grams or even more. I transfer it to this tub here. Then it's just easy for me to scoop out. See that there? So that is better, you bugger. So I will be leaving it on for 2 hours and wrapping it up with cling film. Once that is done, I plan on rinsing it out with just a regular. This is Alberto Balsamo. You get 4 for £3 in home bagging on this. This is really good to rinse it out. You just want to rinse until all the Cassia is all gone out of your hair. The last wash, I will do just one wash with my one and all argan oil, sulfate free, shine and moisture and shine shampoo. So I'll be doing just one coat, one lather on this. Then I'll be doing you want to follow this up. I usually follow this treatment up with a moisturizing conditioner because this can become a little bit dry. And I'll be doing my deep treatment after I rinse that Cassia out. What else have I missed? If you're considering doing this, you also want to be wearing something you don't really care about. So although this does not stain, it's not like henna. It doesn't stain your hands but I wouldn't wear something that you know you intend to wear all the time, or something that is. I would just put something that you don't care about on. That is the best policy, just in case. So I'll be wearing my baggy t-shirts. That's the t-shirt I usually use when I'm doing my hair dry. So this is it, guys. Let me show you how I apply it. Okay, see ya. Okay guys, here are the things you're gonna need. You've got your bowl, a tablespoon. In there is just the top where I transfer all the whole product, so it's easier for me to scoop out. In that bottle there is my extra virgin olive oil. I mix it with extra virgin olive oil. You really want to make sure the oil you get is the pure olive oil. And also the cassia powder, you also need it to be organic. This very one here does come with instruction, which make it really simple for first time users, so you know what you're looking for, you know what to do. Then I have a glass of hot water in that jug. That is the extra virgin olive oil. Thank you very much. This virgin oil is all the way from Italy. Thank you very much, Signora Gabriela. So what you want to do is add the water to the powder and mix it, just mix it up. You want to add a little bit, so you want to add a little bit of water as you go along. So here I'm just showing you how I apply it. Very simple, as if you were applying your own deep treatment to your hair. Just section it off, concentrating on the length of your hair. That is the weakest part, and then they need more TLC. Just lather it on, just walk it in and smooth it through, so all your hair are covered in this treatment. I found Cassia really beneficial for hair. So this new year coming, I plan on making it my business to be doing this more regularly. Really help thicken up my hair, make it really strong and thick. So that is the reason why I like to use this treatment. So if you want to give it a go, guys, it's very simple and straightforward. So give it a try and see if your hair benefits from it. Okay. Go guys, that is how I apply my cassia. I'll show you how I apply it. I'll show you how I mix the actual product. I got mine from Amazon. I forgot to mention that in the previous clip. So there you go guys, it's very simple. Like I said, you need something that you don't really care about because it's bound to get everywhere. Also, don't forget to put something on the floor when if you plan on doing this, because just in case if you get anywhere on the floor, you are covered there. So this is it guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I will say thank you all so much for watching. If this video was useful to you, do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And I will see you on the next one, alright? Thank you all so much for watching. Ciao.